All right, friends, today you get to make this really great black cat. When you make this black cat, we're just using the orange paper, the black half sheet, and then scrap yellow. We get to use a pencil along with your scissors and your glue stick. Okay, starting out, you're gonna have this half sheet of black paper. With your half sheet of black paper, you're simply going to outline the cat. Now you can make it as tall as you wish, as wide as you wish, as short as you wish, but just outline your cat. Make it pretty simple, making those triangular ears. My friends, once you have this completed, you are going to cut out your line that you drew for your cat's body. There I have my cat cut out. You want to save your scraps. So I'm just gonna set them aside for now and I'm gonna save them. And now I'm gonna be getting my orange paper. Now on my orange paper, I need to decide, where do I want my cat? Is my cat gonna be like peeking in on the side? Is it going to be up at the top, coming down? Is it going to be at the bottom, kind of catty corner, wherever you want your cat? So I think my cat this time, I'm going to make it, I think I'm gonna make it catty corner like that. So right here, it's gonna hang off a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down. To glue it down, I want to make sure that I'm going on the edge with my glue. So in other words, I don't necessarily need a lot of glue here in the middle, but I do need glue on the edge. So I'm gonna use my glue kind of quick, right on the edge of my cat. And then I'm gonna glue it down. You wanna move a little bit quicker with the stick glue because it will dry faster than your wet glue. I smooth out my glue, and now this part that's hanging off, I can trim. There, my cat is glued down. It's peeking on the side of my paper, and I have all of this scrap paper. Now, if I wish, I could make a tail for my cat that's actually coming up off of the side of the cat. On this one, I decided, I don't really want a tail on this one, but I do want some fun whiskers. So I'm gonna use my scrap paper and I'm gonna cut some short whiskers. Once you have your whiskers cut, you can take the whiskers and you can fold them up. So in other words, I'm gonna make them like they're gonna stick out. I'm going every other direction. And now my cat has whiskers. So I can glue my whiskers down onto the face and the whiskers will poke out. For gluing down the whiskers, I just use a tiny little bit of glue in two little spots. And I glue down. You can make as many whiskers as you want as long as you have scrap black paper. Now that I'm finished with my scrap black paper, all these scraps are going to be balled up and they go in the scissor box. Balled up scraps in the scissor box so that the trash can is not overflowing by the end of the day. Now I bet you're thinking, but what about the eyes? On the counter, there is the scrap yellow tray. You are gonna go and you're gonna pick out one scrap yellow piece that you would like. And then with that one scrap piece of yellow, you are just gonna simply fold it over. So now I have it folded and I can cut out the eye. Because my paper was folded, I have two. Again, ball up your scraps. Leftover yellow goes in the scissor box. Put your scissors away. To glue down these eyes, you want to make sure that your glue is going on that small piece. So I'm going to go ahead and put the glue on the yellow and glue down. Ooh, I actually like that. And then I'm going to glue and glue down. I decided to make it so that the points are going the same direction. I'm going to make it look like my cat is looking off to the side. I can use my pencil now, and I can do those pupils. Yeah. So it looks like my cat is looking off to the side. Almost like his little eyeballs have shifted. So he's looking somewhere. Maybe he spots a mouse. So friends, have fun with it. And they should all be very, very different. Like my first one, I included a tail. And it was coming up from the bottom of the paper. And then on this one, it's off to the side, kind of leaning in. And its eyes are kind of looking down, maybe looking for a little morsel on the floor. Have fun with this.